Hello and welcome to class again. So today we'll be concluding what we started. This is what we started. However, I want to appreciate you again like I've always done. Thank you for joining us in class. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're not, please do subscribe, follow, and tell your friends about it. Thank you. Now let's get straight to work. Now, we started with this, it's an exponential equation. The intention was to find the value of x. But then, in order to do this, we'll first walk from here, being exponential equation, and then we'll derive a quadratic equation out of it. And then we found the roots of the quadratic equation. But what we did first was to represent this part and this part with an alphabet, b. Now, after solving the quadratic equation, we arrived at b equals to 1 or minus 3. But that's not what we started. There's no b in the original equation. There's no b here. So what we did was to represent this with b. So make it easier to solve, and then we'll go back. Now it's now time to go back to where we started. Now, what we'll do is this. Say, but b actually represented what? 3 raised to power x. So what that means is this. Wherever we see b in this, we'll put 3 over x. Now, first thing is we know that this is b equals to 1 or b equals to minus 3. Now, let's look at the two cases quickly. When b equals to 1, b is already what? 3 raised to power x equals 1. In this case, b is what? 3 raised to power x equals to minus 3. So how do we go about this? This means 1 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 0. Remember the rule, the zero power rule, the power of 0 rule in indices, that any number whatsoever represents raised to the power of 1, raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. To this effect, why have I decided to use 3? Because I want it to look like this so that they both cancel each other. So that's why I decided to use 3. So what that means is that this one, in order to look like this, to resemble this, we'll have it as 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 3 raised to the power of 0. So to this effect, this can also cancel this. So we'll have x to be equals to what? 0. Now if we come over to this place, there is nothing we can do to this. So this is a typical situation of no solution. So in this case, the final solution of this is what? That x is equals to 0. So that's what that means. Now, this is how we find the value of this question from here to here. Now, this is a situation where one of the roots do not have a solution. Now, if you have a question, please do well to write in the comment section and like and share and tell your friends to get some value. Now, thank you so much. We'll see in the next video. Thanks.